All right, we are not done here on Daybreak in your health news this morning. When's the last time you worked out? That's a pretty straightforward question. Only 1 in 5 adults in the U.S. actually work out every day, and the main reason that people stop, muscle soreness. But some simple switches can help your routine. Joining us now is Lifetime Fitness's Chief Science Officer and Clinical Nutritionist, Jim LaValle. Good morning to you, Jim.
Good morning.
All right, so you have a lot of background in this field, from multiple books to real-world experience with pro athletes. What are some of the biggest mistakes that people make when trying to recover from a tough workout?
Well, the first thing is they try to train like a pro athlete, and they're not pro athletes. So don't overdo it. That's number one. And then after that, it's all about the recovery. And so whether you're trying to eat better, which is going to really help you, so you got to sleep. Sleep is super important. There's some key nutrients that can help. Really interesting study just came out on aged garlic extract, which actually showed in middle-aged people, that's a little earlier than I am, that it actually helped to improve their volume of oxygen. So actually their VO2 max improved, and their time to recovery from their muscle soreness decreased. That was a fantastic study by Dr. Karen Reed on aged garlic extract. And I think that's something that people get heart benefit from as well. Obviously, drinking things like beet juice and, even a little bit of caffeine. So a little bit of coffee before your workout actually shows about a 50% improvement in your recovery rate. And I think, if you can't afford to get a massage, think about doing a foam roller, maybe get one of those massage therapy guns that are so popular now. Try to work those muscles. And I'll tell you the one thing a lot of people don't realize, a lot of folks are talking about probiotics and the microbiome these days. Turns out that in a study that was in 2023, it showed when you gave specific probiotics, it actually reduced inflammation and improved recovery from exercise. So there's a lot that people can do, but I would say the first piece is, if you're really sore, make sure that you're rolling out, hydrating well, make sure that you're ready to train for that next day.
So I heard garlic in there, so it sounds like vampires aren't going to like these tips by any means.
It's Halloween.
Yeah, it is Halloween. It is Halloween. Okay, so a lot of great things to work on your diet, obviously foam rolling, stretching. Any other strategies that you use with athletes to mitigate muscle soreness? Anything that's fancy that we may not know about or have to buy over the counter or roll out for that matter?
Oh, yeah, sure. I love using what's called a Morpheus device, which is just a chest band that actually measures your readiness for your next workout. So it can help guide you as to how hard you should work out your next workout. So that part is really important, because it isn't that you should train hard every day. It's how prepared you are to train hard that next day. So that Morpheus device, which is a chest strap and a cool little app, really a reasonable device to purchase, can really help you figure out what to do. And that aged garlic extract, it's kind of interesting. It's called Kyolic. Actually, you don't smell when you take it, because when they age it, it gets rid of all the stuff that creates that stinking rose effect. So that's actually a really good strategy, and you can get that at most retailers. So really easy, simple supplement that's going to help the majority of people over the age of 40 to feel like they can get into that next workout.
All right, so Jim, we got one last question here. So I know a lot of people, when they're starting to work out, they can become discouraged. Anything that you would tell someone, mentally to keep going, to keep getting back into the gym and to not get discouraged and to not give up?
Well, the first thing I always tell people is, it's work, but it's worth it. Don't try to overdo, just try to participate, right? Start off, if it's got to be a 15-minute walk, maybe you're starting from ground zero, right? If it's a 15-minute walk twice a day, do that. If it's just simply moving a little bit, maybe some bands, do that. But the first step is to just get moving and be able to accomplish the tasks that you're working on when it comes to your workout. And you know what? Enjoy it. Have fun. Pick something that you're going to have fun doing, whether it's a class or whether it's getting out on a bike or getting out on a trail, right? Go to the Trinity Trail, right? I'm from Fort Worth, so go to the Trinity Trail, take a good walk.
All right, do your best and forget the rest. James LaValle, or Jim LaValle, we should say, thank you so much for joining us this morning and giving us all those tips.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you.